News aba news aba. There is news and there is gist. Hey, today dear, there's another good news. There's another wonderful news. In fact, this one dear, it make background. Hey guys, let's just jump right into this hot news. Hello gist partners. News aba news aba. There is news and there is gist. As I said before, this news make bagang. Hey, when I heard it, I said, you don't mean it. Are you telling me that? In fact, guys, as I am right now, hey, I am on another level, and another level of excitement. Anyway, before we jump right into this good news, this wonderful news, please do check out my other channel, Sanders Joyful Space, so that you can catch up on all the wonderful, interesting, and fun things going on there. Thank you very much. This news, dear, let me sit well. Anyway, there's no time to even waste time. Please make sure you watch to the end so that you can get all the details of this hot gist. Kolebu to begin liver transplant procedures in new milestone. How did you hear the news? It make bagon, it ring abi. Hey guys, that is when I heard it, it ring go. Anyway, let me take it again. Kolebu to begin liver transplant procedures in new milestone. Hey guys, don't worry, I will tell you why I am this excited. Let's just read the news first. Guys, let's continue. Authorities of the Kolebu Teaching Hospital have announced that the facility will begin liver transplant procedures this week. This will be the first time a hospital in Ghana will carry out a liver transplant. The CEO of the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Dr. Opoku Wari Ampoma, through collaborative initiatives, the Kolebu Teaching Hospital has been able to successfully undertake kidney transplant. Next week, we are going to start doing our first liver transplant, and this is by a purely local team. Meaning everybody that will be doing this are all what? They are all local team. They are not coming from, another country or this country or that country. You get, They are all Ghanaian trained doctors, surgeons, and all that. Let's just continue. This is a pure local team of doctors who have gained expertise in this area and are going to start delivering this service to our population, Dr. Ampoma added. The hospital made similar strides in December 2019 when it performed a successful kidney transplant for 4 patients with kidney conditions. This was also considered a breakthrough for local medicine practice in Ghana. As far as handling liver is concerned, the hospital has had a hepatobiliary surgeon and liver cancer team in the past that have been providing treatment to patients suffering from liver, pancreatic, and bile duct cancers. The Kolebu Teaching Hospital is considered the premier healthcare facility in Ghana. It has 3 centers of excellence, namely the National Cardiothoracic Center, the National Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, and the Radiotherapy Center. This addition has increased the number of highly specialized surgeries such as severed hands, keyhole, and bladder reconstruction that the hospital undertakes. Guys, how did you hear this news? How does it make you feel? I'm just so excited about this. Because do you know how much it costs to actually travel out to get this surgery done, like liver transplant? People mostly travel to, India, Egypt, and all those other countries. And not forgetting that, you have to book flight tickets, you have to do all this, book that, book this. In fact, guys, it's a lot of expenses. So if this is being done and carried out in Ghana, like it will lessen the expenses for the patient and the family. And it's a great milestone for Ghana. I really don't know how many African countries, liver transplant can be done. I don't know how many, but I know it's not in every African country. No, it is not in every African country. So this is a great milestone for Ghana. I am excited. I remember doing my clinicals back then in Kolebu. Guys, Kolebu is not where you go and joke. Like when you go work. You go work and you go work well. Like you go work well. All hands on deck. So I am very happy because I know that this is coming from a lot of hard work that has been put in place. This is a great news. And I'm just so happy for all those patients that will benefit from this. They don't need to, go through all the stress of, acquiring maybe visa or this and that, paying ticket, doing all the stress, going to outside the country, going to this country, this way, that one. Guys, like, it's a lot of stress. If they are doing it in Ghana, it's just going to make life easy for those patients and the family. And also other nearby African countries can now come to Ghana and do this transplant. They don't need to travel to India, Egypt, this place, that place. They don't need to go so far. Your nearby neighbor is doing it, so you don't need to stress yourself. I'm going here, I'm going there, I'm going there. You will say, what is it, Sandy? Is it just because of liver transplant you are excited? Yes. Because when you see this patient going through the pain, the stress, their family and everything, guys, you will actually feel for them. It is not easy, it is intense. Now talk about, all the pain they are going through, all the issues. They still have to spend a lot of money. And guys, I've been really been fascinated about, the liver, because when I learned about it in school, that is the only organ that can regenerate. I'm like, wow, okay, wow. I really did not know that before going to nursing school, that, okay, liver can regenerate. So if one person is giving another person a part of his liver, the donor in some few weeks or some time will regrow his liver to the normal state. Like, it will just regenerate itself. And also the recipient, the patient who is receiving this liver, will also in some few weeks or some time be able to grow that part of liver to its full state. Like, it will regenerate to its full state. Yeah, that's how marvelous, wonderful the liver is. So guys, I'm excited. Yeah. I am excited. Yes, I am excited. So guys, I said let me bring this news up because this one, dear, it cannot pass me by. Guys, when it comes to healthcare, I can tell you, Ghana has one of the best healthcare system. You say, and you are hyping them. No. I've actually been in different hospitals in Ghana, not as a patient, but as a nurse. As a student nurse, I've been in different hospitals. Is it 37? Is it Kolebu? Is it police hospital? Like, I've been to a lot of hospitals in Accra. And I was just wowed by a lot of things. When it comes to healthcare system, I will tell you that no, hands down, Ghana is doing well. And each time they are trying to improve, each time they are working on how to improve. And that is one thing that just gets me so excited. Like, every sector is trying to improve, how to be better. And that is how it should be. Nobody should be, be stuck and say, okay, I'm okay, yeah, it's okay, things are better. The fact that they're always trying to, do better, improve, like, guys, that's just so wonderful. And that is what has brought them this far. Because they could have just said, oh, we don't have the facilities to do liver transplant. We don't have all the necessary things we would need. They can just relax and just let it go. But do you know that this thing that we are talking about today, that we are happy about today, is something that they have planned? They have sat down, they have, put heads together, they have tried to work up and come up as a team and be able to achieve this success. If they have given up, we will not be here today talking about this news. So I am happy for all the patients, their family, that this will actually benefit. Like, guys, I'm just excited for them. So guys, as I heard this news, I say, Ghana 4, you have done it again. So I have to bring the good news. So that is the good news, as you have heard. So if you have watched to this point, I say thank you. And if you know you're on this channel, you have not yet subscribed, I have come to beg you. I am begging you. Please just help me hit the subscribe button and hit notification bell. Let it do back down. So that when there's any news like this, any gist like this, nobody will tell you. You will hear with your ears. You will see with your eyes that, news about. There is news and there is gist. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. God bless you all and see you all in my next video. Bye.